How to etch metal with Silhouette Cameo 4. Step 1. First, load your design into Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Go to the page setup panel and set the machine feed type, cutting mat, and media size. Step 3. Go to the transform panel, select the design, click the line color drop-down and select a color. Step 4. Click the fill color drop-down and select transparent. Step 5. Click the expansion icon on the bottom right toolbar and select the line effects panel. Step 6. With the design selected, select a fill effect. Step 7. Zoom into the design to take a closer look at the fill pattern. Step 8. Depending on your preference, set the spacing. Step 9. Now go to shapes and select a circle. Step 10. Click and draw a circle, and with the circle selected, go to the transform panel. Step 11. Select the second tab, click the lock icon and resize the circle. Step 12. Drag the circle into the media, select the design, and resize it from the specify dimensions section. Step 13. Now drag and place the design over the circle and ensure that it fits. Step 14. Drag the design aside, go over to shapes and select a circle. Step 15. Click and draw a small circle to attach the key ring. Step 16. Select both circles, go to the Align tab in the Transform panel and select Center horizontally. Step 17. Drag and place the design over the circle and line it up. Step 18. Select a smaller circle and delete it from the design. Step 19. Select the circle and go to the Offset panel. Step 20. Select Offset, set a small distance and click Apply. Step 21. Now, select the original circle and delete it. Step 22. Select the offset circle in the design, then place it towards the bottom of the mat. Step 23. Close the offset panel and go to the Send panel. Step 24. Select the design and click No Cut. Step 25. Set the material to cardstock, plain. Step 26. Grab a piece of vinyl, turn it over to the back and line it up on the mat where you've placed the design in Silhouette Studio. Step 27. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 28. Once it's done cutting, remove the circle from the vinyl without unloading the mat. Step 29. Now grab the metal blank and peel off the protective coating. Step 30. Position the metal blank inside the circle and press it to secure it in place. Step 31. Insert the etching blade inside the adapter. Step 32. Take the blade out from carriage 1, insert the etching blade and lock it in place. Step 33. Now go back to Silhouette Studio, select a circle and select No Cut in the Send panel. Step 34. Select the design, click the action drop-down and select Sketch. Step 35. Click the tool drop-down and select Sketch Pen if you're using Cameo 4. Step 36. Select Sketch, then go ahead and click Send. Step 37. The machine will start engraving. Step 38. Once it's done engraving, examine and make sure that everything looks good. Step 39. Unload the mat and the metal, insert the keyring and check how it turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.